Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to fix the problem that you might be having if your Threads preview isn't showing on your Instagram story. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Threads application on our mobile phone if you're not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you can do is open up the App Store on your mobile phone, search for the Threads application and download Instagram as well and open it up. So once you open it up and logged into your account, you're going to go ahead and be greeted by this main page right here. So this is the main page of the Threads application, and here we can get started browsing our main page of the Instagram application. So these are our feeds from where we can get started posting stories, and to those stories we can go ahead and post Threads previews. But sometimes you are having a problem that those previews do not want to appear in your stories, they're not showing correctly, and people have been asking how do you fix this problem. Basically this problem is all up to Instagram itself. So sometimes the application just gets buggy. So what you can do guys is go ahead and uninstall your application. So you're going to have your Threads application, Instagram application, can long hold them and remove them from your device. You can delete them and then install them again. This is going to help you to clear out the cache of your applications. Using this is going to fix most of your problems. So you want to go ahead and reinstall those applications, see if this fixes your problem, get started posting those stories again and taking a look if the preview is going to work. If it still isn't working, you can contact support and ask what the problem is, but usually the problem is just with the application, and once they roll out a new update it's going to fix itself. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.